Thanks to Erin Condren for sponsoring this video and sending me these products. I'm so excited to open this box. I always appreciate that they send the products in these beautiful boxes. When you look out on your front doorstep and see this pretty box, you know you can get excited for what's inside. One of the fun things with Erin Condren is that they always include unexpected gifts for you in the box, like this postcard and this gift tag. They always take the time to wrap everything up nicely, so when you open it, it feels like you're opening a present. So let's see what all I got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unpack everything and move the box. So now here comes the fun part. Let's see exactly what I received. In addition to the gifts that make first opening your box up more exciting, they include another pack of extras, like these gift tags, and there's cards, and there's even a fold-up storage box. So that's fun to see. Now, let's look at the main item that I received. This is the new Erin Condren LifePlanner binder. So traditionally, Erin Condren planners had a spiral binding. And what this meant was that in the past, at the end of the year, you could tear out the pages and recycle them, but you still had to throw away the cover and the spiral binding. But with the new LifePlanner binder, you keep the binder cover and reuse it year after year. You simply buy new page inserts each year. And another nice design feature is that any accessories or items you already have for the original planner will still fit into your LifePlanner binder. If you use a planner, you're probably familiar with how popular stickers are for decorating your planner. They're an easy way to personalize the planner and make it more functional because they help you standardize and clearly identify information without the visual clutter that too many stray pin marks create. Like for example, these are perfect for covering up errors, and they give you a nice clean new space to write on. This is one to look for, the A+ style sticker pad. Now this is the designer sticker book, and it's the monthly collection edition 4. If you've never used a monthly sticker collection before, look at how fun this is. For each month, there are stickers designed around a special theme for that month. So like Halloween for October, and May is spring themed. And of course, March is St. Patrick's Day, and then Valentine's Day is coordinated for February. And this is another great set to look for. It's the monthly sticker packs, and it makes decorating your planner much fun and quicker. Sticky notes are one of the most versatile accessories for the LifePlanner. I knew I wanted these specifically because of the tabs. They make it easy to find no matter how thick your planner is, and the 3 different colors make it so easy to color code information. And then these are the Snap-In sticky notes. They were originally designed to snap into the spiral LifePlanner, but as I showed you earlier, they'll fit perfectly into the new LifePlanner binder. So I'll always have them available, even when I'm on the go, because the supplies will be right in my planner. And of course, because it's back to school time, I just had to get these school-themed sticky notes. And they also will snap right into my LifePlanner, so I'll always have them. I just love these mini magnetic page markers. Because they use magnets and not adhesive, they're endlessly reusable. Well, you can use them to bookmark pages or temporarily attach outside materials, and so much more. I was really excited when I saw this stencil. I like to incorporate some aspects of bullet journaling in my planner when I use it. And this stencil is going to be particularly useful for making check mark boxes, and that'll help keep my planner neat. I knew I wanted these colorful monthly adhesive tabs. The LifePlanner comes with the side tabbed monthly dividers, but I also like to add monthly tabs to the top of my planner pages, and that way I'll be able to find exactly what I'm looking for, no matter which orientation I'm looking at. I can't wait to jump in and start setting up my LifePlanner binder. So I am going to film another video to show you all how I take all these accessories that I received from Erin Condren and set them up to be most functional for how I use my planner. So be sure to keep an eye out for that upcoming video.